M South Africa. And then welcome participant M South Africa. M Global is a self-managed community by participants, aiming providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitudeness, reciprocity, and benevolence. M is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. M is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. It's a peer-to-peer system. No central account. It will not collect your money. Right? Understand, Amwakir? And then the brief facts. M Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Sergei Mavrodi in Moscow, Russia, to create a new fair financial order as a World Mutual Aid Fund community, primarily to free the people from the bondage of financial slavery. And it speeded up at the very first day of its beginning. It's sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergei Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. Now, this voluntary network becomes a community of millions and millions of people from more than 100 countries worldwide. Fastest growing community in the world, #1 donation exchange program, $14 billion assistance provided. M gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. How does this M work? Then we'll know today how does this M work. When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking the provide help in your personal office, which is your PO net, your account will be credited with Mavro. And then the Mavros, I think by now, most of us will know when we talk about Mavros, what are we talking about, right? The Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. Right. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, which is going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. So your Mavros are growing each and every day, but you are going to see the interest occurs only when on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Then now I'm going to show you an example. We have donated 100 rands. So your 100 rands will be equal to 100 Mavro. And after 30 days, your 100 Mavro will be 130 Mavro. So your 30% of 100 rands is 30 rands. Again. And then now we continue. The benefits. If you are an active member at M, what are your benefits? Let us see working the benefits at M. The first benefit is your 30% growth per month for your donation. Again. And then immediately after providing help, your account will be frozen for 2 weeks. And so that 2 weeks, which means it's 14 days. So from 14 days it will count down. After counting down, after 14 days, then now your account will be, the Mavros will turn green. So now, meaning you can now withdraw your Mavros. Again, but don't forget the benefits are again, let's check what is another benefit. Another benefit as an active member is registration bonus. And then this registration bonus we told her immediately after officer donate the amount of what donate. Again, then you'll get what? Your registration bonus. But depending on how much. So if you donate from 700, let's say for example, to 4,000, then we are going to get bonus here 200. Let's say we donate from 5,000 to 29,000, we will bonus here 500 plus minus. Okay? And then from 30, we'll be getting plus minus 1,000. And then likamo unali 30%. Referral bonus. The referral bonus when you go out, you invite your friends, your relatives, your colleagues who attend the presentation next M. So if those people were invited, they were interested, they want to join the community, then they are going to get how much? 10% from all donations of the participant. And then the first benefit, and then which means now if you are a manager, M, so you need to finish the course here 10 days online. And then after finishing that course, assigned as a qualified manager, then now you will be earning all these bonuses for your structure. Again, and then we use Bitcoins to exchange globally. Bitcoin, our access to the global community. Bitcoin is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. Again, from a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. If you've got Bitcoins, you've got what? You've got cash. Why we have to use these Bitcoins? Because they're easy and secure. Again, and you can use the Bitcoins at any time. It doesn't matter whether you have a month, holiday, or when. You can just pay whoever or what you want to pay using your tablet, using your phone, using your laptop. It's all up to you. It's open and it's easy to use. And then your personal office, if now we are an existing membership, be like this. They provide help like what I be green. And then they get help, the color is orange of like so this profile here, this person, specific person, which means in at least 4 ticks, like what sitting green, which means in at least 4 active donations as a high one, and then the one is been blocked. And normally when your account is blocked, it's when maybe you have delayed to make a payment to a recipient, like because you'll be given a certain hours to make payment. So if you fail or you delay to do that, then your account will be blocked, then you'll see that will cross. But this say 4, which means the active, and another one 4. So meaning you can add. You understand? Would say the first one, and then the next time Aboa. Yes. And then my page, keep personal information. Marvelous Kichele. When it's blue, keep that frozen period of 14 days. When it's green, which means that was ready for withdrawal. If it's red, which means it's unconfirmed. Let me explain this to you. We'll take the rents using rents. And then account, very important. When you fill up your banking details, you go press account and then you go press add. And then more, you go fill up your banking details. Make sure your banking details, your account number is correct. Make sure your cell phone number is correct. In fact, each and everything, your name, your surname, your email, your account, your cell phone, make sure they're correct. Again, because of the Dilaga channel, will I understand? Yes. And then feedback. Utloyama feedback if no any challenge in multiple M because it's also support. Or whatever feedback. Support. You click there, you write whatever challenge that you have. Again, I'm a first of Fetula, would cover this feedback then, but one is more how we solve that or it's been solved already. Again, so meaning you are in control of your back office. You are in control of your back office. Immediately after doing the registration, you've got your login details and then you can log in into your office. Any problem you encounter there, you can just go chat with the support, they will give you a response. Is your office. And then website there in like what? And the maker show outside is like this. And in only 80% per month. Like what? I hear it 40, I hear it 50, I hear it 70. Remote platform 80% per month. I get this. And then our registration, we don't click on registration. I can have a website then if you start, then you go take a guide registration again. After registration, then that's where they're going to see this form. And then you look at important, really important is your personal information or that you must make sure it's correct. We don't want to tell how to say name, more emailing you have, make sure it's correct. And then more invite emailing, email somebody or system more triple M. Again, you refer to triple M. Again, make sure that email is correct. If it's not correct, that person will get under your reference. And they will go out again, please, so make sure. And then more guidance email, we don't want the email manager you have. You want to make sure that email is correct, otherwise you will fall under, I don't know. What? So, but make sure your email address, number one, is correct. The invite email address is correct. Your guidance email address is correct. Your cell phone is correct. Your bank details, these are correct. Again, registration, you will receive a letter system password recovery. We're going to have more emailing address you have. And then on the email specified upon registration, the letter contains a link which is to follow for the creation of the password for your personal office. If there is no letter in the inbox, check Mongo spam name and then click on the link highlighted in blue. That password recovery would be highlighted in blue card. Then you click on your and then in the letter, then you will go to the page for password recovery, follow the manual on how to start your access in your personal office. Again, Triple M only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. So Triple M, we must understand two people, a donator and a what? If you can understand that the word a donator and a recipient, so communication at is very good, then you know what Triple M is.